Hey guys, this is Mayankpal from Gossipfunda, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can customize a text messages on the call. So when you get a call from your friends or family members and you are in a busy situation, what do? Do you cut them your calls and text them again after later that you are busy? Most of the time you don't have the time to do this. If you're stuck in a sticky situation, then you don't need to do this all over again. Maybe you are in a meeting, maybe you are somewhere in school, college or school. What can you do in this situation? How to deal with this situation? What you can do is to customize your text messages directly on the call, which means whenever you get the call, you can either make sure that the user sees that you are busy, or you can send them a customized text message. There are two ways that you can use this. For the first thing, what you can do is activate the do not disturb method. Whenever do not disturb is on, then on your iPhone, whenever they call, they will not be able to contact you. On the call they would hear that the user is busy. What if you don't want them to get this message? Then what you can do is directly customize the messages on the iPhone. For that, what you can do is to receive the call on your iPhone, what you can simply do is use the text messages app on the iPhone. When you are receiving a call, click on them, and there are multiple different options that you can use, like can I call you later, I'm on my way, sorry I can't talk right now, and custom. Click on the custom button if you want to send a customized message. Right now I'm going to send hi, I'm not available right now. Then I'm going to send it to you. Then the call will be cut and the message will be sent to your friend. This is how you send customized text messages on the call. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to the Gossipfunda channel for more amazing content, and also check out the Gossipfunda website for more insights on this topic. Thank you.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still